ice maker. Hello, I'm Greg Zanis, owner of Fox Valley General Contractors. I've been contracting for a solid 35 years. This is one of our most beautiful jobs here. Take a look here. We installed this new 16 by 16 Italian floor ceramic. We reinstalled this entire kitchen. Of course, when we do that, we put upgrades. We added this, of course, fancy Euro faucet. Take a look here. The tile goes, of course, through the closets. And then right here in this room, this is the dining room, we've installed a beautiful wood floor. You can see in the corners there, we have a compound miter box that we make all the trim look brand new and beautiful. And this is around 900 square feet of flooring in these two rooms alone. If you also look down the hallway here, this is the entrance hall, of course. You see the beautiful shine on that floor. This floor is pre-finished. We've been using a lot of that type of floor lately. Of course, we have all our own nailers. I work with my two sons, Gregory and Chris. If you take a look through the hallway here, you take a look at the beautiful thresholds that we put in to merge through. And I'd like to show you down here. We took a standard staircase and we refinished it to match our new trim here. Over here there used to be a wall, and I cut the wall out so this will make it open and spacious looking. Back here, this was the foundation was here showing. We added a new wall here to cover all of that up. And if you come down here, I'd like to show you a job that we're just about done with. If you take a look here, we added all oak doors to this. This is a 36-inch door. Underneath your staircase, we make that storage for you. If you take a look in here, this is how the basement was. It was just concrete walls, just like this one right here. I sealed the walls, and in here, we insulated the ceiling. But all the walls in this particular job are insulated. Over here hiding is the furnace room, and I'll turn on the light so you can take a look at that. Just up, it was actually in the very center of this basement, so we hid it away. This is the big new rec room down here, and of course, some of the features are, if you take a look, there's a solid oak column that covers the steel beam that used to be there. and the steel beam that was in the ceiling is completely gone. We're using 2x2 sculptured ceiling tiles on this project throughout. And of course, we're using energy efficient light bulbs. These save you a lot of money. Some of the features, of course, are hiding the electric box, so you don't see that anymore. Take a look here. This is a built-in. The purpose of this built-in is pretty much to hide the sump pump. Everybody has to get rid of this sump pump. When I'm doing a job, we try to make the sump pump an asset. If you notice here, it's very thick between here and here. When we stud our walls out, we use full 2x4s. We use construction grade lumber. All the oak and the sills and everything you're seeing, all the trim is solid oak. Here's another feature here. Is this bookcase, if you notice on the bottom, they're 4-inch shelves, and at the top, they're 9-inch shelves, because the foundation is down below here. I'd like to show you the other two rooms that are hiding way over here. This one's a finished room. This could be a bedroom. It could be an office. We added closets to it, lighting in the closets, slide-by oak doors. We added wainscot here that makes it a beautiful, beautiful room. And before we run out of time, I'd like to show you the bathroom. Okay. Over here. We added a full bathroom. We can do either way, but right now we put a shower in here. These beautiful glass doors. We haven't cleaned this job up yet, but we're about there. These are huge tiles on the floor again. We put elongated toilet in, and this customer wanted a pedestal sink. And to make the bathroom complete, of course, there's a linen closet over here and a small medicine cabinet over here. So this is a fully functional bathroom. And I'm Greg Zandes. Anytime you want us to give you a free estimate, please give us a call. We're very professional. Thank you very much.